Good afternoon, everyone. It's Stockguy22 again. It's Monday, September 27th. Wanted to review a different position here today, one that I own right now, that I just bought this past month. It's MGM Resorts, and you can see it's had a really nice couple days here on last Friday and today. Nice 45-degree angle up. Okay, we haven't broken through this 20 period, which is a 20 period moving average that I like to use. Okay, you can see pretty well it's held up quite nicely Friday and today. Now I bought the stock. I'll show you when I bought. I bought September the 10th, just as we started to drop back a bit, and sort of been in this candle right here. Picked it up in the hopes of adding more if we drop back. I was willing to add more towards $9.70 to $10. I wish I had bought more very close to 10, but it didn't really give me a good signal. We had closed weak almost each day, and I didn't want to chase it up that one day. So last Thursday I was actually going to buy more when I had another opportunity to add to that position, but it got to 10.10, and then we bounced up on Friday. It got very close to my target of $9.70 to $10, so I would have scaled in twice more, another 2,000, another 2,000. So I try to plan out my trades before I get into them. As you can see on here, we're getting very close to resistance, okay, which is our late July, early August resistance of 11.55. Getting very close there today. We're at 11.40 right now. So I'm at a dilemma right now whether to sell up here. If you saw my other video about the market that might be doing a head and shoulders, I was thinking to lock up some profit on positions that I've got into it, even though this wasn't a full position. Above this level, we're looking at around 13, and further up is above 16, so almost $17. So what these levels are where the stock tends to top out. These are resistance levels. So you can see up here when we came up, we topped out at 11.55 and just below, around the 11.40s, which we're there right now, and then we fell back. So I like to sell into resistance and buy into support levels. So when I bought, and that's what you should be doing as well, when I bought, I didn't get down at this level here because I didn't like MGM at the time. I wasn't looking at it. I was looking at some other positions. But when I bought pretty close to the 10, which 10 has been a pretty good support. As you can see, back in February, it was nice support before it ran up. It was also nice support this last time around, pretty close to 10. Okay, so I got pretty close to support, which I was pretty happy with. But I wanted to add a bit more. Those of you that follow us in the chat room, I'll show you the chart that I posted back then when I was first looking at it as a swing. Okay, looking at it as just as it broke through that $10 level, and this is the day that I had bought, the day I'd done this chart on it. Okay, so I try to put my resistance levels ahead of time so I know what my upside could be versus my downside risk. Okay, so if I had a nice average right into this level, around this 970 level to $10, I'd feel very comfortable with this position because I'm getting much more value out of it than I'm willing to risk. So a really good risk to reward. Here's the other updated chart I just did the other day that I posted in the room. These are charts that we post in the chat room. So I missed that move up when it started to break through here. Okay, and you can see my resistance levels match up to what I showed you earlier. Okay, so I'm thinking about selling today. If we can't get through that level, or if the market seems to be toppy, that's what I'll do. I might give up a little bit more. I'll give up probably $1.50 more to the upside, but I could always get in above 11.50 or above 13 again. Okay, because then I'm getting good risk to reward. Okay, to the higher levels. Okay, so even if I sell today, it's not a bad thing. I'm up about 9%, so that's not bad for 17 days. So it's actually really good. So from September 10th. Okay, so I hope that helps you to show you how I analyze some of these trades. Talk to you soon, and I'll post some more charts on this channel.